Very revealing look at the Duck Dynasty family. In a new short film, the Robertsons are opening up about their personal struggles from when they weren't so famous. We're learning now they went through some really tough times, and they want to share their story with their millions of fans. ABC's Dan Harris has the story.
They're the duck-calling, bird-hunting, ratings-busting phenomenon known as Duck Dynasty. The patriarch leading the down-to-earth millionaires for the Everyman clan into millions of homes every week, Phil Robertson.
I have selected you as the best man for my wedding.
All right, clearly the best man won.
And ever by his side, wife Kay.
How many years we've been together?
You don't even know guessing, do you?
I know it's been a while.
But now a rare glimpse at their life before fame and fortune, the demons that preceded the dynasty.
I got in a big barroom brawl. The laws got after me. I went to the woods, of course.
The drinking got worse. And I knew then, but I didn't want to believe it was running around on me. And what I would tell my boys all the time is, that's not your daddy. That's the devil in your daddy.
In this exclusive preview of a candid new film out this week by the Christian group I Am Second, the Robertsons revealing their very personal struggles with the alcohol, drugs, and infidelity that almost broke them apart.
I would say the low point is when I ran Miss Kay and the kids off.
I've been fighting for this marriage for a long time, and it's not working.
They say their lives turned around when Kay convinced Phil to meet with a pastor.
We would all be better off if we loved God and loved each other.
Part of the show's appeal has always been that they have this extraordinary wealth, but they also have issues that regular families deal with, and they deal with it in a very honest and open way.
That was the beginning, they say. Phil then invented his famous duck call, the Duck Commander, which turned into a multi-million-dollar business and now the phenomenally popular reality show. And Phil says the credit all goes to God. For Good Morning America, Dan Harris, ABC News, New York.
Talk about turning it around. The film on the Robertsons launches online Thursday morning at IamSecond.com.